All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a great song from Russ coming out here. It's called April 7th. This is a very, very simple song to play, guys. Only 2 chords. So if you love Russ and you want to jam alongside with his song, April 7th, then check this one out. Let's go into this tutorial. And we don't use any capo here because we are going to work with 2 bar chords. So it's A minor to the G minor. That's it, back and forth between these 2 chords. So the first A minor chord will be to place your index finger on the 5th fret and push down all strings there. And then you need to add 7th on A and 7th on D. And then you take the very exact same grip and move it 2 frets away from you. So you land with the index finger on the 3rd fret, same grip there, push down all strings, and then 5th A and 5th D. That will give you the G minor chord. So you just go between these 2 chords, A minor to G minor. Okay, now let's go into the strumming. It's a pretty long one, but it's very logic and simple to learn. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, you're gonna play down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, then clap, down, up. Okay, so that's the first half. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then you make a short little pause there. And imagine you took away the first down from the strumming we just learned. Now you're gonna continue from that point. So you take away the first down and just play the rest in the exact same way. So up, clap, up, down, up. That is actually what that pause makes. It takes away that first down. So together will be down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, and then you do one of these per chord. So A minor 1, G minor 1, till the very end, back and forth like this. Alright guys, so that's it. 2 chords only. Russ, April 7th. Good luck with that one and see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.